take a look right here. Tom pointed out that the mill needed to be bolted down. It looked like it was moving around, and we did do that. You can see some footage of that. And then Rendress asked about why not mounting the collet organizer to the wall. So if you see here how I have it organized is the collet racks up top, and then the drills and mills are right below us. It's just quick and easy to grab everything together and stick it in the mill. James Freddy's wanted to know why I wouldn't make 2 videos a week, a painting video and a metal video. So Jeff, I may end up doing that. But who are you to be asking about somebody else making videos? How about you making a video, buddy? SYF said that he would just have Jim build something or just leave him unorganized. Of course, it's a typical sarcastic comment from Matt. You guys check him out if you haven't already. I know most everybody does. Season 6711 said that the only thing he didn't like about it is I didn't build 2 of them and ship in one because he just got a Grizzly G0704 mill, just like the one I'm running here. And then Silver Heart, of course, 347 said that he would just put his in a bucket of water with no drain in it. And again, Silver Heart, of course, and SYF, these guys always have very clever comments, so that's a good one. And then Rudder left a good comment. He said that he would take the tees that I use for the feet, instead of having them coming out to the side, he'd have them point forward to help balance out the rack a little better. And it was a great point because the rack tended to be a little biased toward the front and want to lean forward, but it's stable and sturdy how I have it mounted. But in hindsight, it's a good suggestion. So let's take a look at this week's video and what we're going to be working on, and let's get to it. All right, so our welding table here, the casters that were installed on it were really done incorrectly and improperly, and the casters are in pretty rough shape. And since this table weighs about 1,500 pounds, it's not something you really want to take a chance on or mess around with. So I've got all these new casters I bought from Caster City, and as you can see there from the pictures, the current casters are welded straight to the table, and so I want to cut those off and weld these 1/2-inch plates on there, and I believe these are 1/2 inch by 4, and they're cut to length to fit, and then we'll bolt the casters on so that we can maintain them and change them out if we need to, and that kind of thing. So 2 projects here. One is obviously we need to drill holes in these, and this is 1/2-inch plate, and there's 4 of them, and there's 4 holes, so 16 total holes that I need to drill and tap. A lot of work, and I could take the time to lay all these out, center punch each one and all that, but I'd like to just set up a little jig to make it quick and easy to do it. So I've also been wanting to put soft jaws on the vise in the milling machine, and because it came with steel jaws, and these are soft jaws from Monster Jaws, and they're really inexpensive. It's like $15 for this set. So I want to change those out, but I want to put an integrated stop in the side of it to set up production work. If you need to put a hole in the same spot on a bunch of parts, you can set the stop in place to do that. So that's what we're going to work on, and so take a look and watch what we do. all welded up. And the reason I, went ahead and tapped those threads is you can see there just not enough room to get any hardware, a nut on the back side, and I'm guessing that's why the guy welded them on before. But we got it done right, and you can see the weld there. It's not too bad, not great. TIG welding, the fillet weld is pretty much the hardest weld you can do, and I didn't make it any easier by leaving some gaps here and there. But hey, it's on there. Got good penetration, and should be a good setup. Just got to do the rest of them now. All right, let me know what you think. Any ideas, comments, suggestions? I appreciate it. See you soon.